Here we have a beautiful 2007 Ford E250 handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion van, high top with 29,000 original miles. This van is extremely clean, garage kept, immaculate condition, lowered floor, raised door entry, loaded all the way. It's beautiful. Very beautiful van. I'm going to give you the tour here. Clean Carfax, no stories, clean Florida title, not a speck of rust anywhere on this van. It's gorgeous. It's unbelievably clean, no accidents, non-smoker. 29,000 original miles. The van is immaculate. Lowered floor. It's got tie downs, rear power folding, electric bench seat bed, tow package, cold air, everything's working the way it's supposed to. Nice Michelin tires. This van is beautiful. The previous owner even kept a cover over the carpet so that when he got in and out, he didn't damage the carpet with his wheelchair. He was a very meticulous owner. The van is beautiful. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Or you can email us at usedcars@suprememotors.fla.com. usedcars@suprememotors.fla.com. Call or text us 954-561-2499. We can ship anywhere in the world. We accept all types of trade-ins. Happy to help at any time. This van is an E250. A lot of people ask. Fully loaded. I'll give you the tour. I'll show you how everything works. I'll point out any damages that I can find. Let's check out the exterior here. Paint's beautiful. Gorgeous. Original paint. Top's good. No clear coat peeling. Laser straight down the sides. There's a little fading here in this portion of the stripe, but that's it. Other than that, 9.9 out of 10. Beautiful. Laser straight down both sides, no problems at all. It is a Ricon S-Series lift, 800-pound capacity. It is a fully lowered floor except for where the rear bench seat bed is, but lowered all the way up to the driver's seat. These are both quick release seats. You can absolutely pull out either one of those seats and pull your chair into either one of those spots. That would be fine. Van does have wood grain, TV, DVD player in the back here, rear power folding electric bed. You got the button right here, and there is one in the back of the van as well. You got your tie down points in the floor here. Seat goes up and down without a problem. This is a gorgeous van. One of the nicer ones we've ever had, to be honest. The condition is amazing. Very fresh inside. Lowered floor. Tons of clearance going in and out. Wheelchair lift works perfectly. I'll show you how that works right now. It works on the handheld pendant, which you can leave here or you can hold it. It's not wireless, it is wired. But it works very well. 800-pound lift is very hard to find. Most lifts are 650 to 750. It's a nice Ricon 2-post lift. Hardly used at all. Give you a step back so you can see how it sits in there. Awesome setup. I hang the pendant right here when I'm not using it. Oh, excuse me. And you can power it on and off right here as well. That's a nice feature so it doesn't run the battery down. It's an awesome van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. I'll show you the rest of the interior here so you can get an idea of what you're looking at. The frame is absolutely perfect on this van. We did not paint or polish that frame. Look at that. It's completely rust-free. It's unbelievable condition. The tires are Michelin. The alloy wheels are in excellent shape. I would say these are about 80% tread life left, maybe more. Got the rear mounted spare. Carpet, seats. I mean, everything in this van is immaculate. It's like a brand new van. It's beautiful. The owner kept these rubber mats all over the floors so that the carpets would stay nice and fresh. Engine's great, 5.4 liter V8. Bulletproof Ford motor. You got your owner's manuals here. This van is all there. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. It's gorgeous, gorgeous van. Show you the mileage. The van is running 29,279. The brake light is on because you need the brake to operate the lift. And the airbag light is on because we unplugged the passenger seat to access underneath there because the tie down was stuck in there. So there's nothing wrong with the airbag light. As soon as you unplug that passenger seat, it turns the airbag light on. So there's nothing wrong with that at all. Give us a call if you have any questions about it. 954-561-2499. You may text us to that number. We're happy to help at any time. Don't miss out. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. If you're looking for a nice handicap van, it's a beautiful, great setup. Runs and drives perfectly. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.